Yo guys, what's up? So today we are going to buy Insta360 X5 and I'm here with Mario. We both have put down money in order to buy this thing.
A lot of research has gone into this, and after reviewing everything and all, comparing with the X4, X5, we realized that there's a lot of difference between X4 and X5. Hopefully it's as per expected, like how we saw the video and all. Like, I hope it doesn't disappoint us. One or two of our friends have Insta360. I will also be checking the difference between the quality. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint us, because then like you're putting down a lot of money. It's almost like in 50s. So
Yeah, I mean, I mostly will be using that Insta360 for vlogging. I don't know whether it's a good choice for vlogging, but at least I'm going to replace my phone with that. And as I've seen like videos online and all, it's almost equal to iPhone quality. I've not watched comparison, but yeah, let's see how it goes. We're almost about to reach there.
I will be doing something called as car talks. So hopefully it doesn't go bad and all. Let's see.
So guys, we have come to Cam Clinic to buy the Insta360. I must have said 100 times Insta360. So technically you have to go towards the left. This is something that I wanted a few months back, but then I thought better stick to iPhone only. But after a few months it's the X5. Yo, what's up guys? Finally recording on the Insta360. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, though. This is the mode that Mario recommended, but I'm not that keen on this wide thing. I mean, I'm more used to the phone camera where it records normally. Yeah, let's see how this turns out. So we've also purchased a stand over here, which is good for holding. There's a guy selling lottery over there. Let's go guys. I think I'm just going to test out another mode over here. Okay, in the dark my face looks even darker.
Talegaon property prices have literally gone very high. People who want to buy houses now are slightly regretting. People who have sold their property also have been regretting, because Talegaon per square meter is around 1 lakh and above. Somewhere it is somewhere 90, somewhere it is 75, somewhere it is 50.
Right now Mario is doing some AI stuff on the Insta360. I will be using my phone and Insta360 both for vlogging, mostly that. So Mario has gone out somewhere and it's Evander. He was in the north, he had gone for a shoot, and yeah, so now he's in Panjim. So I was like, bro, let's go to drink something. Yeah, we decided to go somewhere. I'm trying matcha for the first time. Matcha only it is called, no?
Matcha, yeah.
Matcha for the first time. He has tried it. Earlier Mario was talking about matcha, so I was like, I want to have it. Anyways, we are heading right now and I might grab something to eat. You guys are going to get a review of how the matcha tastes from my perspective. Perspectives are different for matcha. I think Evander does not like it. Mario also doesn't like it. Vaughn loves it. So earlier when I was talking to him, it's like, bro, it's damn good. Change of plans. We have come to McD to have their mango McFlurry and no matcha. We picked up one from his place and McD's over there. Say again what? So Evander saw that something, and what? Say again?
The ambulance needs the ambulance.
Oh, that is. Can I have one Korean McSpicy chicken burger?
Korean spicy chicken.
Yeah,
Meal,
and meal. And what is the drink?
Instead of ordering, would you like to hot coffee, cold coffee, shake, iced tea, complete hot fries?
I've ordered the Korean burger and classic cold coffee. Evander has ordered something small. What do you order?
Korean chicken surprise burger and the
Korean yuzu, some pop, something, some new things are come. So trying that out.
I ordered the deluxe McSpicy and the meal variant Max. McDonald's just copied it from Burger King, but okay.
Copied from?
Burger King.
Vaughn's a huge fan of Burger King. Earlier he saw Korean and like, they copied it from Burger King. But I saw it at both places at the same time, so I don't know whether they copied or not. Anyways, let's just wait for our meal.
Who took our order is such a pookie like
Our stuff has come. Here are all the burgers. I think this one is... this one's mine, I guess, no? What? What?
No, I'm good, man.
What you ordered, man?
Oh, which is yours?
Huh? What is this?
cough syrup. Bro, I thought I had some nice expectations. Look at the picture shown on the these and look at what I got.
Is that the same Sprite thing what you're saying? So guys, that is the Sprite भाई और इसको ये मिला bro.
Literally.
Fanta diluted.
बोर्ड पर कुछ और डालते हैं, इधर कुछ और डालते हैं. क्या पता है इसको क्या पिला रहे हैं.
Is it not good?
Sprite and some kind of a
Lemon syrup.
syrup added to it. That's all. Nothing much.
Coffee, man.
Copied from Burger King.
Okay.
Sick. The McSpicy burger looks the Korean McSpicy. Are you sure this is mine? Yeah, there's some Korean sauce, I guess. Just have a look at it.
I don't know, bro.
That thing, that was not my burger. This one's my burger. This is the classic cold coffee that I've ordered. I don't remember tasting this, but let's do a review.
Put on this only, man.
चलता है? Okay, too much of ice. I'll just go dig in and have my burger. Oh, then we have to take one bite of this. No, we would have known it's Korean.
Yeah, for the sauce on.
Shake bag. Make shake bag and
So done that. The worst decision of my life.
The chocolate shake, Mare. I know it's not good.
Couldn't tell me earlier.
What did you like it? This thing got done and this is what they gave us. This is the mango McFlurry. I mean, I assumed it that they'll put some mangoes,
slices.
slices and all. And they just, I don't
this
know.
mango pulp, I guess.
Why would you put it on the Oreo is the question. Tasted it now. Spoiled service.
Magdi, what's wrong with you, bro? Taste
Yeah,
test.
that big one. There's no wow factor.
Yeah, there's no wow factor to it. 5 on 10.